tabs that I have opened but haven't closed, but Arc has archived in order for me to declutter. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can archive your tabs much longer. So what is archiving tabs in Arc browser? Well, based on my research, Arc browser does something called archiving, which is putting your tabs someplace else when you're not using them. So it's not really closing your tabs, but rather placing it or like transferring them. So you might be surprised that some of your tabs might have disappeared, but in order to access those tabs that you haven't closed, but you want to access them again, but Arc has hidden, you need to go up here in the top left corner of your screen and we head over to tabs, and then you'll find archive, then view archive. And you'll see these are the tabs that I have opened but haven't closed, but Arc has archived in order for me to declutter my space and I can focus on what's important. So how can you extend the time before Arc browser archives your tabs? So what you need to do here is head over here in the top left, click on settings, and then we need to choose a profile that we need to modify. So as for me, I only have one profile, so I'm just going to click on default. Then we head over to archive tabs after. So the default settings is 12 hours. We can change this into 24 hours, 7 days, or a month. So right now, I'm just going to set that to the default, the 12 hours. For you can do whatever you want with it. When I put it on 24 hours, now it will take 24 hours before Arc browser archives your tabs. And that's it. That is how you can extend your archive, the time before Arc browser archives your tabs. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.